Hey there! Welcome back to Infinite Languages. Learning hiragana is like learning the rhythm of Japanese itself. Today's row is haro. Ha hi fu he ho. Let's see how each sound forms words we use every day. For ha, we have hari, a needle, sharp yet delicate, and hasami, scissors, simple tools with great purpose. For he, think of hikoki, an airplane soaring high, and himawari, the sunflower that smiles at the sun. For fu, we say fune, a ship that sails across the sea, and furuto, a flute that sings a soft, sweet tune. For he, remember Herikoputa, a helicopter spinning in the sky, and Hebi, the snake that moves with quiet grace. For ho, we have Hon, a book full of stories, and Hoshi, a star shining bright above. We have now learned the haro. Ha hi fu he ho. Ha hi fu he ho. Ha hi fu he ho. Repeat them often and watch your hiragana grow more confident each day. Thank you for your time and support. Do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Stay curious and kind. Goodbye.